The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe with the factory flush side rails. We've just installed the Thule WingBar Evo flush rail complete rack system. This consists of the WingBar Evo, 60 inches in length, black shown here, but silver is also available. The flush rail foot pack, which come in a set of 4, and vehicle specific fitting kit 6117. So locks are available as an accessory. Get them for security or not, or add them down the road. Totally up to you. Crossbar spacing is highly adjustable in this vehicle, up to 58 inches center to center. Overall, you have a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed. So a great rack for all sorts of cargo, kayaks, bikes, pretty much you name it. Anywho, that's been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete kit with a few clicks, just click the link in the description below. That's going to be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.